with a powerful message. Your actions today decide your future tomorrow. Let's watch how a wise king teaches this lesson to his ministers. Scene 1. In the palace. Once upon a time, there lived a wise king. He had 3 trusted ministers, but he suspected that one among them was dishonest and lazy. To find out the truth, he made a plan.
My dear ministers, I have a task for each of you. Here is a bag for each of you. You will be taken to different forests. Your job is to fill these bags with the best fruits you can find. But you have only one day.
Scene 2. In the forest. Each minister reacted differently to the task.
I should do my best, the king. Trust me, and I will not disappoint him. I will find all the best fruits.
He worked hard all the day and filled his bag with fresh, juicy fruits.
Why work so hard? The king won't check every fruit. I just pick up what I see lying around.
Most of the fruits he picked were rotten and spoiled.
Why waste energy? The king will only see the weight and size. These leaves and stones will do that for me.
And so he filled his bag with worthless things. Scene 3. Return to the palace. The next day, all the 3 ministers returned to the palace.
Welcome back, dear all. Guards, imprison all 3 ministers for 30 days. No food will be provided to them during this time. They would have to survive on the contents they have in their bags.
Scene 4. In the prison. Now came the moment of truth. The first minister, who had collected fresh and delicious fruit, spent 30 days in comfort, enjoying the fruits he had gathered with his hard work.
Thank God, I worked hard. Now these fruits are keeping me healthy and strong.
The second minister, who had collected spoiled and rotten fruit, struggled. He had to eat the bad fruit and survive and fall ill within few days. Eventually, he survived the 30 days.
Oh, these fruits are rotten. I'm falling sick. I should have worked hard.
The third minister, who had filled his bags with dry leaves and stones, had nothing to eat.
What have I done? I have nothing to eat. My laziness and dishonesty cost me my life. My casual behavior seemed to make life easier in short term, but in long run, we only regret.
The first minister, who had collected fresh and juicy fruit, lived well. The second suffered, and the third couldn't survive. Because, in the end, we all must live with the results of our own actions. Thank you.
It's simple. What you do today decides what you will get tomorrow. Laziness and dishonesty might give comfort now, but they lead to pain later. So, always act with sincerity, honesty, and effort. Thank you.
teaches us that today's choice directly impact our future. Hard work and sincerity bring long-term rewards, just like we witnessed in the play. Now I would like to invite the students whose birthday falls in this week.
All birthday boys and girls, come on! Birthday to you, everyone! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
How will you know meaning and synonyms of these words?
The synonym and the meaning of the word apartheid. Apartheid. The word apartheid.
Spell it.
Apartheid.
Good morning everyone, my name is Samanvay from class 7A. Apartheid means discrimination. It was commonly done in the American states. They discriminated between English and the African people.
That's correct.
Thank you. Dhruv, come it. Dhruv. From class 7, come it.
My name is Dhruv from class 7B. Democracy means rule by people or people power.
That's correct. Eventually.
Eventually. Anyone from class 8? Come, Divyanshi.
My name is Divyaksha. I am from class 8B, and the word eventually means that after all the tasks we have done, the result of the task is known as eventually.
That's correct. The fourth word is disappoint.
Anyone from class 6? Come.
Everyone, my name is Aditya Rathore. The meaning of disappoint is to let down someone.
That's correct.
Well done.
The fifth word is dismantle.
Dismantle. Anyone else? Okay, V. Prakash. Don't talk.
Good morning everyone, my name is Deepika. I am from class 8B. The meaning of dismantle is when you break down something into different parts to check it. That's it.